First reading, Hebrews chapter 5 verse 7 to 9. During his life on earth, he offered up prayer and entreaty, with loud cries and with tears, to the one who had the power to save him from death, and, winning a hearing by his reverence, he learned obedience, son though he was, through his sufferings. When he had been perfected, he became for all who obey him the source of eternal salvation. Responsorial Psalm, Psalms chapter 31 verse 2 to 3, 3 to 4, 5 to 6, 15 to 16, 20. Turn your ear to me, make haste. Be for me a rock fastness, a fortified citadel to save me. You are my rock, my rampart, true to your name, lead me and guide me, draw me out of the net they have spread for me, for you are my refuge, to your hands I commit my spirit, by you have I been redeemed. God of truth, you hate those who serve useless idols, but my trust is in Yahweh, every moment of my life is in your hands. Rescue me from the clutches of my foes who pursue me, let your face shine on your servant, save me in your faithful love, safe in your presence you hide them, far from human plotting, shielding them in your tent, far from contentious tongues. Gospel, John chapter 19 verse 25 to 27. Near the cross of Jesus stood his mother and his mother's sister, Mary the wife of Clopas, and Mary of Magdala. Seeing his mother and the disciple whom he loved standing near her, Jesus said to his mother, "Woman, this is your son." Then to the disciple he said, "This is your mother." And from that hour, the disciple took her into his home.